In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the mouse scrolling direction on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple menu up in the top bar and then select System Settings. On the left side, you want to locate either mouse or trackpad. And then there should be an item on the right side that says natural scrolling. Content tracks finger movement. Disabling natural scrolling will reverse the direction. So scrolling down moves the content down and scrolling up moves it up, similar to a traditional scroll wheel. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.